Meaning of extraterrestrial.
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 Extraterrestrial. Extraterrestrial refers to anything that is outside of Earth or its atmosphere. The term is commonly used to describe life forms or objects that are believed to exist beyond our planet, such as aliens or UFOs. The existence of extraterrestrial life has been a subject of debate and speculation for many years, with some scientists and enthusiasts believing that we may one day discover evidence of such life. While there have been many claims of UFO sightings and alien encounters, no definitive proof has yet been found of the existence of extraterrestrial life.